guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Samira Sharif. Andarki namaskaram. Nenu mi Samira Sharif. Ellarku vanakkam. Na unga Samira Sharif.
Vanakkam, namaste, assalamu alaikum, sastri akal,
etc. etc. etc.
Alright guys, so in today's video we are doing Never Have I Ever challenge. So you guys know the drill, right? How to play?
yeah.
Yes. So when I ask you a question, if you have done it, you say I have. If you don't do it, you say I've never.
Okay.
So when you put up I have on a placard, you have to give the explanation of why or when you have. Alright?
Okay, done.
So now let's start the game. If you guys remember, I've put up a story on my Instagram asking that I'm planning to do a Never Have I Ever. So most of the questions are sent by you guys. So without further ado, let's get started. Ready?
Ready.
Never have I ever lied to my partner. Anwar Jan's I have is coming like very close to the camera, so I would want to listen to Anwar Jan's I have first. Oh.
I've lied several times. Which one you want me to tell? So many times I've lied to you.
Okay, it's better I don't know that. Okay, so this I have, there are several times, so I think few of us will not answer.
No answer for this, yes.
Never have I ever stolen something from a store.
From a?
Store.
Oh, yes.
Never. Bad boy and bad girl. Very good girl.
I have, you have to explain when, right?
Yes, of course.
We used to have small breaks in school time, so we had a bakery. It was not because we didn't have money, it was just for fun that we used to steal some bread or some puff. Later we confessed to him and we paid him back. But I did, yeah. We did. In fact,
Group
all
of
the
friends.
people, group of friends.
Yeah,
all
so
the
it was the
classes.
same with me also. It's not that we did not have money, but just for the fun factor, and we challenge each other.
I
to
look
judge.
so out of the world between this both bad boy and girl. No? Good girl. I never did all this.
Next.
Never have I ever taken food from others' plate without them knowing about it. I have.
Never.
I have. I think I have taken from my sister's plate several times when I like something and that's over in my plate, so I just
Okay.
take little from her
Very
plate.
good.
I also did this in the school with my friends.
Very good. Very
Put
good.
together. So, chalta.
Never have I ever gossiped about mother-in-law to husband, vice versa.
Yes, no.
So now
Yeah, it is not gossiping actually. Like, I used to tell it in a very soft way कि देखो ऐसा करे थे, देखो इन्हों ऐसा करे, उन्हों ऐसा करे. It was not gossiping. It was what the fact is. So yes, no.
Next question.
What did you never?
we never. I said never.
No.
Never have I ever regretted being a celebrity. आप start करो.
You start.
I
you
have.
start.
My mom has been celebrity since very long, so she'll answer.
Oh, because I'm so long celebrating today. Okay, because I can't roam around freely. I can't do what I want. I can't go to a small shop and bargain on the street. And so many things, so many. Like people are always focused on you. Like they keep watching. So I always regret. You can't go openly with your friends or family and all. Ever teltundi, ekkadiki eltundi, kiske saath, all these questions. So I regret for that.
You.
So I regret when I go to any kind of family functions or family gathering and they don't see me as a family member, but they see me as a celebrity. That is when I don't like. They treat my sisters in a different way and they treat me in a different way. I don't feel like that is genuine love from few of the family members. That is when I regret being a celebrity. I wish if I was a normal person, I would have got normal love. And also same happens with South Indian friends ke family members. So they don't treat me as equal as the other friends. They treat me something special. So that is something I don't like.
Yeah, I'm not the paparazzi person. So when everybody's eyes are like cameras. They're looking at you, what you're wearing, what you're doing, and all. But we are not that. Basically, not every celebrity is the celebrity inside here or here. He's a normal person. So for me, that's when I regret being a celebrity.
Never have I ever wished my co-artist was my partner.
Never.
Never, and I have. Not partner, but yes.
I have.
Oh.
But not after Anwar Jan happened.
So, Anwar, you should give the explanation.
Explanation. Okay, let's consider this after being into relationship with each other.
Before, after, anytime I will feel like that.
No, I did not
What's
feel
wrong?
like that after.
What's wrong in thinking like that? There's nothing wrong in that.
Mia baby राजी तो क्या करेगा खाजी.
Never have I ever used a toothbrush that did not belong to me.
Never.
I have. I'll tell. We were on a tour with my friends to Goa, so I've got a habit that I want to get fresh up. As soon as I wake up, I want to be fresh or have bath or something like that. So I woke up and I saw everybody was sleeping. So I wanted a brush, and all shops were closed around. We were in Goa, so I took one of my friend's bags.
See?
I opened his bag, I took the brush, washed,
Use French toothbrush. See?
and did. Yes.
See, I used Anwar Jan's toothbrush.
I never.
Never have I ever laughed so hard that I peed.
How in the world it is possible?
It happens. How?
It happens.
See, you're shooting for so many hours. You don't have a proper washroom to use. You hold it till you come back home, and sometimes it happens.
It happens, yeah. It's the same thing happened to me. I mean, bladder is all full, and when you burst out laughing, thoda it splashes out. Never have I ever thought to myself that a particular friend's parents failed in parenting.
Yeah, I did.
I have to.
Never.
I don't want to give explanation on this.
Yeah, I too don't want to, but I
my
felt
choice.
this.
Yeah.
Never. All my friends are very good, and all their parents are very good. They upbring everything
Wow.
in a very good
This is
way.
Very good.
Just because they didn't wanted to give an explanation, I thought I would give.
I know you love them so much, but
Never have I ever played with a Barbie doll.
Why will I play with the Barbie doll?
But you have a sister, so you should have played with her doll.
No.
I think you have.
No. Never.
oh, yes, he never. Agree.
Never have I ever unintentionally urinated.
How is it possible? No, people do that.
Yeah,
I never.
it is possible.
Is it?
Yes.
Yes, unknowingly, in sleep, no. When you're small.
That how will I remember that?
That is unintentional. When you want to not pee
As
on the
far
bed.
as I remember, no.
I too never.
As far as I remember, several times. And I think there's no requirement of explanation in that. Never have I ever eaten something that was over its expiry date.
I have unknowingly, yes. I have.
I
but
have.
I don't
unknowingly.
remember anything like that. No.
I have. I think most of us have done this several times.
Maybe
I mean,
maybe I've eaten. I
no.
didn't see the date also.
The thing is, most of the time it happens that we see the bread, which is actually expired, but उसपे fungus नहीं है, तो we think
चलो
अच्छा
अच्छा है,
है,
जल्दी
let's
खा
eat.
लेते हैं, yes, it
So
happens,
it
yeah.
happens. Never have I ever seen someone on street and acted like I didn't see them. Several times.
Yeah, I did.
Yes, I did too.
We can't keep explaining about this because it is. Yeah.
It's a very
So many
common thing
incidents,
for so
yeah.
many people, yeah.
Never have I ever re-gifted. कोई gift आया कोई function से
I
birthday
did.
से शादी से. I have.
Nobody gifted me first of all, so never.
Gifts नहीं है कुछ भी.
अच्छा.
Personally, मेरे को gift देना, it's not never happened.
अरे your birthday to gifts or anything, gifts
Yeah,
can
but I
give you
didn't
to
re-gift.
re-gift,
No, I didn't re-gift.
Ah.
But we re-gifted all his gifts.
I did.
Never have I ever dropped my phone in toilet?
Never.
But you didn't switch.
I have. I have dropped my
See.
phone in commode. Can you beat that?
We don't want to be.
I removed it from the commode, washed it, and used it for a few more months. And if you want to know which commode it was,
Huh?
it was a public toilet
Oh my
at Hyderabad airport. So
Your
when I was
fans will hate you. Stop telling that so deeply.
So when I was coming back from Chennai,
And then, oh dear, Samira phone.
but this is not the same phone. It was iPhone X. I don't have that phone anymore. So
Thank
I
God.
by mistake dropped. It was on my bag, and when I was taking my bag
It's
off,
okay, you don't have
it
to.
slipped in
Next
the
question.
commode.
Next question, please.
Never have I ever been pushed into a pool with all my clothes on.
Never.
Explanation.
Right, when I went to swimming pool, like, we all friends were playing and my brother was with me. So I was very scared of heights. So that day I was very nervous because my master asked me to jump from 30 feet of height. So कुछ भी नहीं होता, चलो, nothing, you should come out of it, fear करके वो डर निकलना करके he pushed me. टपाल करके नीचे गिरा.
Never have I ever peed in ocean.
Ocean, no, never.
How can you guys be like
Yeah,
that?
how can you ask her?
How can you guys? How can you be like that?
I mean, when you see so much water, it happens.
We're gonna end this here. Never have I ever session part 1. So let me know if you guys like this in the comment section below, and if you want us to make more such videos, all of us, 3 of us together. So please do let us know in the comment section, and I hope you guys had fun. We tried to be as real as possible with the answers, though it was very weird, and I got
Excuse
to
me,
know
you also had
secret.
weird answers.
Yeah, so yeah, but still we did our best. We tried to give genuine answers. So let us know if you guys like this. We'll try making another part of this, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to
Like, share,
and subscribe to Samira Sharif's YouTube channel. Love you guys.
and we'll see you guys soon in our next video. Until we'll see you next.
Lots of love.